if you're experiencing connection errors in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and running at optimal speeds. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or slowdowns. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help reset your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing the likelihood of errors. Step 4. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to the manufacturer's website or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers for your network adapter. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking Overwatch 2. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable these programs to see if they are causing the connection issues. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection and reduce errors while playing Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming.